all are very well and you are doing very well. So welcome to our online classes. Here for your online classes, your Priyanka Miss is with you. On the earlier class, we have discussed an item from Active English Workbook. So for today's class, once again, we will go through Active English Workbook. These are the some of the topics that maybe we haven't gone through yet. I mean, after the school being closed, we haven't touched these items. Though I know maybe some of you already have done the works that are given into the book, but there are some of the students who are still waiting for the classes. Okay, so for those who are not still who are still waiting for those untouched items, this class is for those. And who have already done the exercises, you can revision it, you can give it a revision, and of course you can follow the class so that you can have the proper instruction again. And if you have any problem doing the exercises, you can solve it out. So for the better solution, you can also follow today's class. Okay, so in this item means item number 23 and page number 33. So here this is nothing different from the earlier topics, as we have practiced so many items concerning seeing the pictures, writing the name of the pictures or identify the objects. So this is also very similar to that, but here one thing is that you have to be very attentive about using the pronouns. Okay, along with the pronoun, you have to write the name of the things in plural number. Please go through the page number 33 from Active English Workbook. Here on the page you can see all the things are in plural numbers. Okay, the nouns are not in singular one. These are the plurals. So for plurals, what kind of pronouns are used? We know what is pronoun. Pronoun is a parts of space, that means the words that are used instead of noun, in the place of noun. Okay, so like he, she, that, these, those, it, this, etc. So these are the pronouns. Okay, you also pronoun, they also pronoun. So similarly, there are some of the pronouns who which are used instead of plural nouns, like this, THEAC, this, or those, they. These are the plurals. Okay, to indicate the plural numbers, we can use the pronoun these, they, those, etc. Okay, so in this page, that means in this item, you will have some of the pictures. These are in plurals, and you have to use, you have to be very concentrated. Along with the concentration, you have to be very much careful about using the pronoun. You can't use any single pronoun. What is single pronoun? Like each, this, that. These are the single pronouns. So you can't use that. So seeing the pictures, you have to write down that these are, that means these are the name of the things. Okay, so I will of course show you the instruction that how you can fill the gaps in. But before I start the class, please have a look on the pages and have your Active English Workbook with you. As you know, Active English Workbook is all about doing the exercises and of course doing it into your book. Okay, so it's the exercise book. It's the whole book is like a practical book for you. So please have your pencil with you, and of course along with your Active English Workbook. As you know, Miss will ask you to submit your homework copy to the Google Classroom so that Miss can give you the right feedback. Okay, so without wasting our words furthermore, let us have a look on the board. Here the thing is Active English Workbook Part 1, item number 23, and it is page number 33. Okay, see, in the picture you can see, though Miss can't draw well, but I hope you can have the idea that what are the pictures. I mean, the pictures are showing what. Here some of the pictures of different types of objects or animals, and you have to write the name of the animals. Okay, like these are the hens. Okay, see, you have your book with you, so please match the pictures with your book, that whether Miss is going the right or not. So here two of the hens are here, so these are what? These are hens. What are those? Please come to the right one. Here, what are those? See here, the name of the objects are given, that this is the picture of two ducks. Okay, so these are the ducks. So after just under the box of the ducks, we have to write that they, as they is the plural pronoun, they is used for the plurals. So after they, what will be the auxiliary verb? Is or are? Of course, are. So they are what? They are ducks. Okay, see, this is the picture of ducks. So that's why we have to write they are ducks. They is already given. You have to put the auxiliary verb seeing the pronoun. Okay, for pronoun they, what will be the auxiliary verb? Are. Okay. Now coming to the next picture, number 2 is, see, there are some of the bees or flies. Okay, these are the pictures of flies. In your book you can have a look on the flies, that so these, what should I write after this? This is plural number. Okay, for plural number we will write are. A-R-E, are. Please note the answers down here, babies. These are what? These are flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies means bees. Okay, so here see, the picture is actually is showing that these are the flies. That's why I have written these are flies. Okay, so these are flies. What are those? Now coming to the opposite one. What are those? Those means what? See, it is the picture of two birds. That means it is birds. So they are birds. They are what? They are what? They are birds. Okay. Now number 3. See, 3 of the gaps are given, so we have to put the correct words. This is the picture of trousers. What's the picture? Is it? What the picture is? It is the picture of trousers. So I will write. See, do you think that trousers? So these are trousers. Do you know what trousers are? The long pants, like it's sometimes it's of cardigans, or sometimes it can be of jeans. So these are trousers. Okay. Coming to the opposite picture, there are the picture of two dresses. Can you see the picture of the right beside of trousers? See, please have a look from the close view. What is the picture? The picture shows these are two of the dresses. Okay, two dresses. So we have to write what? The question will be, what are those? What are those? Those means the dresses. Okay, so what are those? Can you sense what are those? What are those? They are dresses, as it is the picture of two dresses. So we have to write they are dresses. Why I am putting are every time? Because they means it's plural, and for plural we will use the auxiliary verb are. Okay, so let us have a look again. Number 1, see, we can see the picture of two hens. So these are hens. Right beside the hens, they are in the opposite picture we can see two ducks. So what are those? They are ducks. Number 2, these are flies. We can see the picture of two flies. What are those? Now what are those? Right beside the question, what are those? We can see two birds. So we will write they are just under the picture of the birds. We will write they are birds. Number 3, we can see in the box it is trousers. So these are what? These are trousers. So the opposite of trousers, we can see the picture of two dresses. In the box there are two dresses. What are those? They are dresses. As we can see in the box, there are two dresses. So in this way we will solve rest of the two number 4 and 5 will be the same. Okay, so let us do the 4 and 5. Number 4 is, see here, in number 4 we can see a picture, and it is the picture of plates. Okay, you can see these are two plates. So we have to write what? This. Why this THESE as plural, as pronoun here? Because plates means it is plural number. For plural number we have to use the pronoun this, THESE. Okay, these. Then of course after such pronoun, what should we write as auxiliary verb? The auxiliary verb would be are. These are what? The name of the object. The objects are here what? Plates. These are the plates. Please go to the number 4 and put the words here in the blanks. Then see, what are those? What are those? What are those? These are, see, chopsticks. Okay, what is this? This chopsticks. Do you know what chopsticks are? Chopsticks are basically a kind of sticks that is actually used for holding the foods, or for serving the foods or having the foods, especially when we enjoy different kind of cuisines like Chinese cuisine or Thai cuisine. In such cuisines we can use chopsticks. Okay, the Chinese are really very much used to the chopsticks. So they are what? They are what? Chopsticks. As we can see the picture of chopsticks, so we have to write they are chopsticks. Okay, so now coming to the next one, what is it? We can see two cups here. In the box there are two cups. So we will write this. This is not this, THIS. Okay, this is not this. Okay, it is for singular. But here as there are two cups, so we have to use this as THESE. These are what? What is the picture? Cups. These are cups. Now the question will be like, what are those? Okay. As you can see, there are two glasses. So we have to write that they are what? They are what? They are glasses. Okay. Now again see number 4. These are plates. As we can see the picture of plates. What are those? On the opposite one, they are chopsticks. Then coming to the 5, these are cups. As cups are given, then what are those? The opposite one, we can see two of the glasses. So they are glasses. Okay. So I hope this all for today. Yeah, I hope you will fill the gaps into your books, and please click a photo of your homework and submit it to our Google Classroom. Hope we will meet very soon on the very next class. So till then, stay well and take care.